Welcome. This is Noble, and we'll learn why proactive thinking skills are very important, crucial for your life to get successful. So, so if you are having pain of procrastination, you are not overcoming it, you should definitely learn proactive thinking skills. If you have a pain of perfectionism and you are not able to start any project, definitely you should learn proactive thinking skills. If you are not able to prioritize, make things happen on time, if you are not able to change your current state of life, okay, if you are not able to set your realistic goals, if you are not able to plan realistic goals, okay, if you are having pain of not knowing how to prioritize things in your life, in your projects, if you have a pain of like solving real uncertainty problems, so you should definitely learn proactive thinking skills. It will help you to prioritize, think like a visionary. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, how they became billionaires and successful people. If you see all around the world, they have learned these skills. So you should definitely learn and overcome all the challenges which you are facing. And the process we follow is very simple. Teaching process is applying innovative education skills with simplicity, super simplicity. You will learn this with step-to-step process, simple theory, simple model, okay, simple implementation, no complexity, no fluff. Okay, it will be very step-to-step process. You will learn it and apply it. Okay, we'll go to the next video where we learn what secrets we'll learn in this proactive thinking. And okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.